If you want to make more money in the Amazon Influencer Program, you got to watch this video. I'm breaking down how I would do product research. This is the biggest game changer. I just had my best month ever, made over $27,000 making review videos, and that is just commission from Amazon. I'm going to show you how I do my research, what I do, and I'm going to do it on something really dumb. I need to buy this thing anyway. I might as well find something that could make me money, and that is the best way to find this stuff. I'm going to cover all that. So let's go over to the computer and I'll show you how it goes. Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I would pick out a bathing suit. About 6 months ago, I was going on a cruise and I needed a bathing suit and I wanted to find one that I could make money on. A lot of people ask, what do I buy? What do I buy? Things you need that you have to buy anyway. If you could find a style that you like, this is how you would do the research. And I'm doing bathing suits. I don't like clothing because there's no top carousel, but I need to buy one anyway. And I'm kind of going to go through how would I go about that. We're going to be using SellerAmp, Keepa, Viral View, and Oink to do this. You don't need all of these things, and I'll just show you how I use them. SellerAmp is going to allow me to track all the research that I do. You can see here I have all the dates, the items, the brands, and literally with a click of a button, all this stuff gets added to the spreadsheet so I could track it. I know how much money I spent for the month, all that stuff. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to type in men's bathing suits into here, and then we're going to let this page load a little bit, and then we're going to pop up Viral View. So we're just going to hit Creator Connections right over here. That's going to load the Creator Connections campaigns. You could kind of filter this stuff down by daily sales. I like to look at the individual pages regardless of sales and stuff like that, but you could kind of whittle it down a little more if you wanted to do that. What I'm going to do is we're just going to open these up just like that to see which ones might be a good fit. And this is literally all I do. I open up the pages right over here. So we have this is a 20% Creator Connections campaign. This is SellerAmp right over here. So what this allows me to do is I have a notes section over here. This is going to be my sheet, the AIP demo. I could add a note. I could be like, can definitely make a better video, no comp. And that would be my note for this. Good history. And then I would kind of go about it that way. You can see here, 331 days. That's Keepa, so I kind of like to know how long this has been on here. We got 20% Creator Connections, which is nice. So that's Viral View, and this is Oink over here. There's only 23 days left to this campaign, so not a lot of time on this. But you'll see here there's no upper carousel, so we're going to go down here to see if there's a lower carousel. So now, right over here, we can see here, Viral View does tell you that there's 4 videos. So usually there is 5 spots, so that means there is a spot for me because there is only 4 videos here. So you can see right over here.
Hey all, this is my review of the Youthful 2 pockets on each side.
So a vertical video got on here, which is not, it's kind of typical for clothing because it makes for a better video, but I would do a horizontal one. So right off the bat,
hey everybody,
this one's in front of a pool, not bad. I could definitely have a spot on this carousel, so I would probably include that in my notes. Only 4 videos, spot for me right away. And then I would just hit save. Then I'm going to hit add note. And then I'm going to go to hit it right over here, AIP demo. And then here it is. It's right over here. So I repeat this process over and over again. And then I'm going to have, I don't know, 3 or 4 options over here. And then I'm going to buy the 3, or you could request them. You could do whatever you want. Let's look at this one right over here. This one actually might be the same. No, it's not. Okay, so we have a 1 minute, a 125, a 55. There are 12 videos on here. The Creator Connections on this is 15%. You just pull up this Oink calculator. So you're going to make $3 every time this bathing suit sells. Not bad for something that's $20. It's been on Amazon for 1,400 days. That is solid and checks out. So let's kind of look at some of these videos. And this is what I'm doing. I'm not like poking fun at anyone. I'm just looking through.
I really, but they are.
So that's like I guess like a decent video, but you want to kind of answer like all these questions over here. I don't think they did that. I can't really play the video because I don't want it to get flagged. This one right over here.
Hey guys, and
For something like this could be like a good video, but also it's like a men's bathing suit. So like I want to see like what it looks like on a guy potentially, or vice versa. So that is something to like kind of take into consideration. There's actually some like longer videos on this. It looks like,
thank you for watching.
so you can see there's different variations. That's like some things to look for, like are they wearing it? Are they wearing it in front of a pool? So this one I'd probably pass on. It seems like there's some decent stuff going on here. For this one, I think this might be a variation of some of the other ones we just looked at. Maybe not. All right, so for this one right over here, well, notice there's only 2 videos here. So there's spots for me for sure on this. 132 days, not a lot of time. Only 200 sell. Not super ideal. Again, this is a situation where I need to buy a bathing suit anyway. I'm gonna make $2.49 every time one of these sells. There's 178 days left. This is one that, hard to say. It looks like it is selling, not a ton, of course. And also remember, when you're making a video for this, if they buy a different size or something, you get credit for this. I would put this down as, I would go down to the notes section for this one right over here. Add note. I would say only 2 videos, not a ton of history and sales. Oops. It would help if I knew how to spell. History and sales might be a good option, since I would get on right away. Now, again, this is because I need a bathing suit, and this is just example of something that I have to buy anyway, so I might as well do some quick research to see if I can make money on it. All right, this one right over here, 23 videos on this, 1,000 sales. So this one has a lot more sales. 10%. Don't love that because we're making $1.32 on that. But again, I need the bathing suit anyway, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so we're going to scroll down over here. Let's see what we got going on. So right off the bat, there's a 23-second one, which it's vertical. I could definitely know that probably make a better video. They're inside. Not that there's anything wrong about wearing the bathing suit inside, but obviously if you're on a beach, if you're in front of a pool, like that just helps the video and kind of adds quality to it. This one, I'm guessing they're not going to even wear it, so that's kind of something to keep in mind there. This one, all right, check out this new 52 seconds. Again, it doesn't matter like the video length. Longer videos tend to perform better. It just remember, this guy looks like he's doing like a pretty good job showing the pockets, showing kind of what it looks like. I don't know if he's gonna wear it. That would probably, yeah, not wearing it is kind of, I'd be like, oh, if I could just wear the bathing suit, like that could make a better video and be like, hey, I'm 5'11". This is what it looks like on me. I weigh this much. This is where the shorts cut off. Like all this other stuff. Let's see if this person's by a pool.
If you need a solid pair of swim trunk, nylon, nothing restrictive, super lightweight, out in the heat, these work for pretty much any.
Not a bad video. Like, obviously, we can't listen to the whole thing, but he kind of has the look going on. Even though he's wearing this inside, he's wearing a pair of flip-flops. He kind of has, like, a beach shirt on. Like, he kind of goes over exactly how it comes, kind of unboxes it a little bit, and then actually wears it. Kind of shows you what it looks like, kind of the inside. So I would say this is, like, a solid video. But the other videos really aren't that solid. So for me, I'd be like, I can make a better video than this. So I go over notes, can make a better video, commission not that high, campaign length is 116 days, decent sales at 1,000, decent sales, and that would just be kind of like add note, and I'm going to add it to this sheet right over here. We'll do one more, or maybe we'll just finish up. All right, so this one right over here, we got 800 sales, 2 influencer videos. That means there's a spot for us. You could also see kind of the data here for SellerAmp. Sometimes there's no sales data here, but you could also verify with SellerAmp. You could also see like whether it's out of stock or how often it is out of stock. This one's only been live 75 days. I like to see over like 100, 150. So again, 2 videos here. This one's 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Hi there.
Regardless, there's spots for us. So, I mean, that's a big factor here. 10% commission on, sure, making like $1.30 on this. There's 17 days left. Don't love that. I like to see at least 60 days left. So this one I would just skip because I'm not interested in 17 days. This one only has 1 day left. We'll just evaluate this one first, and then I'll show you which one I would buy. So this has 1,000 sales here, 0 influencer videos, 159 days, and so it's just the brand video. I mean, this one would be super solid, actually. Yeah, 159 days, that would work for me. Only problem is there's only 1 day left in this campaign. You got 1,000 sales on this. If there was more time in this campaign, this would definitely be the winner for sure. Just based on the fact, even though you're making $1.54, there'd be no competition on this listing. You'd be the only one in here. So let's go back through. I was kind of go through here. Let's see here. We're gonna go over. We kind of already know the notes. So I would say I would, for this one right over here, I would say this would be, if this had more campaign time, I would put this on the list and be like, actually, I'll just do it right now. Be like, see if campaign renews tomorrow. If so, buy. No other videos. So I just add that, save the note, and add it to the demo sheet right over here. So I'll check that tomorrow. For this one, I would say out of all of these, we got unknown sales there. I would say this one, 400, 200. I would go based probably on this one right over here. You got the most sales here. You got 116 days left on this. It's been on here for over 1,000 days, so about 3 years and change. And the videos down here, we kind of went through. I think I would be able to make a better video. So for this one would be the winner for me, or this one if the campaign renewed tomorrow. Let me know if you have any questions down below. This is basically how I would do product research. Now when I buy anything for my house, this is what I am doing because I need to buy it anyway. I might as well buy something that could benefit my actual Amazon influencer business as well. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. If you want any subscriptions to anything that we covered, the links will be down below with discounts, and the SellerAmp quick start guide is down there, and you could also get a free 14-day trial of that as well. See you in the next video.